Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are having a look at some of the top 5 best CSSF regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 in our list, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, CMC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. CMC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making CMC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. CMC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the CMC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, CMC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, CMC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, CMC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, CMC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, CMC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. At number 4 on our list is CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options, specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a global investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, it offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including Forex, stocks, bonds, options, futures, and ETFs. With access to over 70,000 instruments, Saxo Bank provides competitive pricing, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools to suit both retail and institutional traders. Its comprehensive product offering enables investors to diversify their portfolios and execute trades efficiently on world-class trading platforms. Saxo Bank provides powerful and intuitive trading platforms designed for traders and investors of all levels. Its flagship platforms, Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro, offer seamless access to global markets with advanced charting tools, risk management features, and in-depth market analysis. Saxo Trader Go is a user-friendly web-based platform ideal for traders who need flexibility, while Saxo Trader Pro is a professional-grade platform with customized workspaces and advanced trading functionalities. Both platforms deliver a high-performance trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring efficiency and precision for all users. Saxo Bank offers a variety of trading account types to suit different investment needs and trading styles, which include the Saxo, Joint, Corporate, Professional, ISA, SIPP, Trust, and Demo account types, with 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic account is designed for casual traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads. The Platinum account caters to more active traders, offering enhanced support and additional benefits such as lower costs and higher leverage. For professional traders, the VIP account provides premium services including personalized support, exclusive tools, and tailored pricing. Each account type is designed to offer flexibility, advanced features, and optimal conditions for traders at every level. The broker provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. Through the Saxo Academy, clients can access a wide range of learning materials, including video tutorials, webinars, in-depth articles, and expert insights. The platform covers essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform navigation. Whether beginners or experienced traders, Saxo Bank's educational resources empower users with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate global financial markets effectively. At number 2 on our list is eToro. eToro, a prominent online trading platform, has established itself as a leading player in the financial technology industry. With a user-friendly interface and innovative features, eToro has become a go-to platform for individuals seeking to engage in various financial markets, offering a unique blend of social trading and investment opportunities. eToro allows users to connect with a global community of traders, share insights, and replicate the strategies of successful investors. eToro offers a diverse array of trading instruments across various financial markets, providing users with a comprehensive platform to explore and invest. Traders on eToro can access a wide range of assets, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. eToro empowers traders to explore and invest in different asset classes, fostering a comprehensive and accessible trading experience. eToro's trading platform stands out as a cutting-edge and user-friendly interface that caters to both novice and experienced traders. With a commitment to simplicity, the platform provides an intuitive environment for users to engage in various financial markets seamlessly. eToro's platform offers a unique social trading feature, enabling users to connect with a global community of investors and even replicate the trading strategies of successful peers. Whether trading stocks, commodities, or other assets, eToro's platform combines accessibility with advanced features to enhance the overall trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types that are designed to cater to diverse investor preferences and trading styles. Whether one is a seasoned trader or a beginner, eToro provides options to suit individual needs. These accounts include the personal account, the professional account, their corporate account, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. eToro also offers an innovative feature called the Copy Trader, allowing users to automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. As a well-established online trading platform, the broker understands the importance of empowering traders with knowledge, and to that end, it offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources through the eToro Trading Academy. Tailored for traders of all levels, the eToro Academy serves as a valuable learning hub, providing a wealth of educational materials, tutorials, and articles. Through the eToro Academy, traders can enhance their knowledge, refine their strategies, and stay informed about market developments. Overall, eToro stands as a leading force in the world of online trading, offering a user-friendly platform, diverse trading instruments, and a wealth of educational resources. The broker has successfully created a space where traders of all levels can thrive, whether one is interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or social trading. eToro offers a comprehensive and dynamic trading environment. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CSSF regulated Forex brokers, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, Forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities, across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best CSSF regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.